So it's another day in our airdrop hunt, and today's video is about this particular project called Arcana, a similar project like Arkham, the project that's made a lot of people some thousands of dollars, if not millions, for participating in their airdrop and doing some little tasks. So this particular one is called Arcana, and in today's video we're gonna interrogate with it and see how it goes. Bear in mind that this is my first time going to the platform, and you guys know me, once I find something that looks interesting, I always make a video why I'm trying to use it. So I might do mistake, I might not, and just watch the video and see how everything goes. But if this is your first time coming to my channel, hey, welcome to ZBK Crypto. My name is ZBK, and this is where I share my updates, both USDT updates, that is sometimes, but most sometimes I share new cryptocurrency projects that we are eligible to make some money from it by participating in their airdrop and doing the tasks required in their airdrop, which is completely free and safe for us. So what I would like to do is, please don't forget to drop a like when you're watching the video, and most importantly, please subscribe to the channel. I have my channel reach 5k sub before this month, and I'm begging you guys, and happy new month to you guys. Today is 1st of October actually, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon for more so that you get notified whenever I drop updates, and tell me whatever you think about it in the description, in the comment section. And with this I say, let's dive into the main video. So back to the site. If you scroll up a bit, you will see some things that they post in the site. Just once you follow the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you over to this particular place, and what you have to do is to click on join Ark, and it's going to ask you for your email address or Google account. So for me, I'm gonna go with email address. So the next thing is for me to click on login, and it's going to take me to the next phase. So it's gonna ask you for your date of birth, but I advise you to put your real date of birth, the one that is in your national ID card, because I think they're gonna ask you to do your KYC with your national ID card. So once you are done with it, automatically they are gonna give you 1,000 points as a. If you go over to your points history, you see that they just gave you 1,000 points for being sign up under someone. So you sign up with 0 points. Now after you sign up, once you sign up with someone's link, that is, if you follow the link in the description of this video, they're gonna give you 1,000 points instantly. So there are many ways other ways to earn from this particular, and their daily points in this particular place. But first of all, you have to click on this first to make sure you sign up every day and click on claim points. That means you're gonna be claiming 500 account points every single day. So in the next 24 hours, it's gonna be produced for you, and you're gonna do it again. So if you scroll down more, you see that there are a lot of other missions where you can use to earn some points. But as for me, in this video, I don't think I'm gonna do it again. And they have this their game, and make sure you make your research before playing of the game or whatever. So they say, as you can see, they says I got once free spin and win. So if what I have to do now is to click on free spin over here. Let me see what it's gonna get for me, and after the spin wheel game, it's going to give me extra 30 points. And now in the next spin, they're gonna ask you to use your points, that is 50 points, but I'm not gonna do it. So you can check out any other way of earning on the website. All our target is to earn their points, so that when they are done doing the airdrop, and gathering their community, we can also go ahead and exchange the points as we are expecting to our withdrawal. And overly, they have added the withdrawal button over here. If you go over to the reward button, you see that there is this referral interface, and if you go over to your section, your account over here, you see that there is this withdrawal button over here. So only them knows how their withdrawal is going to be like. Is it that with the way the thing is showing here, I think we might be withdrawing with USDT, but as for now, we're trying our best to hunt and accumulate the points, which is a kind of airdrop for us. And I think I'm done with this. So for you to get more, you can go ahead and refer. If you can refer, you can go ahead and refer people. For you to get referral, just go to Facebook or anywhere you can easily share your link, and people will sign up under you. Then press your referral link, and then anywhere. Any person that sign up with your link, you're gonna earn from them. So I think this says earn 1,000 per referral, 1,000 points per referral. So and daily points is 500. So you can easily choose to be earning 500 points every single day, or go ahead and try earning with referrals. And with this, I hope I shared a very good value to you guys, and I hope you guys take it serious. Nobody knows the airdrop that is going to reward you massively. So anyone that we see, we normally try our best to participate in it, as far as we are not risking anything. So there is no risk here apart from a little time of your day to go ahead and claim your points every day. And with this, I hope you guys got value, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.